Live from Nick's house. Host, shower, and food. Food in the shower. That might be a good idea. Multitasking. Might be able to do a few more So here it is. This is I'm starting to stream more. I'm going to be streaming more often. I want to be a streaming programmer. I want to help others learn. I want to learn myself. I want to have some sort of commitment. I want to have a community. I'm going to make it happen. Some days I'm less focused on than others, but I've always gone back to this. Anyway, I met a wonderful person today. Not really met him. He met him. I'll show you I was browsing Hacker News. If you haven't, you should check it out. Shout, a web IRC client. I perused it a little bit, and Hacker News crashed it. Why not? He didn't have enough openings, but the creator of it, there he is. Erming Shout. So he said it's open source. I think I'm going to contribute to this some, hopefully, if I can figure it out. Oh, sorry. Let's go back to the screen. All right. So, which one is it? So Hacker News, I clicked on Shout, a web IRC client. This guy, Erming Shout, a web IRC client. It's pretty awesome. I briefly talked to him, and I was stalking him a little bit since he hit the front page. Some kid in Sweden, awesome. I'm like, dang, this guy's crazy. And he's been programming away. He has a 17-day streak. Longest is 120 a day. Anyway, I talked to him very briefly, but he was nice enough to respond in the midst of the chaos, and he said, yeah, I'm doing a commit a day. So, Erming, I say thank you, and I'm going to take it up and do it myself. So, today, I'm announcing that I'm doing 365 commits. That's how many days in a year, right? I don't know. Something like that. But every day for a year. What is today? September 8th. Okay, that's a big day. September 8th, I'm doing a commit. I haven't commit yet today, but let's get my count looking like this. Let's look at what it looks like right now. Bam! 1 contributor. Oh, 2? What a beast. All right. That was a serious day right there. This is going to be all green. At least that. But yeah, the rules are commit a day. Honestly, I don't care if I update a name and commit again. At least I'm getting to the computer, I'm getting to Git, I'm getting to update. Now, of course, there might be situations where I can't, but I'm going to do my damnedest to commit every day, no matter what. So, a rock and a hard place. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm done talking. Let's code something. Let's commit something, man. Gotta commit, guys. Talking about commit. A friend of mine just got engaged. That's amazing. Oh yeah, what I also wanted to bring up. So this is super. I'm gonna try and work on Erming Shout. It looks like it's not working, but I want to see if I can add some features. You should too. You can. Two other things I found were Cotopaxi. Let's see. Gear for Good. It's about doing good. Blah, blah, blah. And I haven't read all about it, but they try and keep it cheap. They do it for the right reasons. humanitarian cause. Will Cotopaxi change the world? It's still way too early to tell, but I'm confident that it is clearly traceable and aiming to do good. That's what I want. I've started something called Giving Tree Technology. I'm going to stop using it for a little bit until I get some, traffic. If I get some strength and coding and whatever else. I want to gear for good. I want to code for good. Hashtag code for good right here, right now. And so that's always out. That's the way to do it. That's what life is about. But not only did I find that, but I also found WotC, which is very similar. They're a nonprofit. WotC turns 2 today. Stories from 2 years plus 2 days. A celebration to start our next chapter. So these people started WotC. It's a town called WotC. A woman boarded a bus he was on. Chase was serving a Peace Corps volunteer in Costa Rica. A woman boarded a bus he was on and asked the passengers for donations to pay for her son's health care. The experience inspired him to start WotC, a crowd-funded platform for healthcare, and name it after the town he was traveling through at the time. There's the town. The cool people are in Google Hangouts doing it for free, just trying to do the right thing, doing what they can. They're showing their support along the way. And then, so they built a site and it's saved lives. It's helped so many people. This helped them fundraise some money. Y Combinator talked to them and they got a bunch of big investors and they're just living the dream right now. Like, how awesome is this? It grew by so much percentage and all of this, and you can actually view the patients. You can see their how much they're donating, which is 100% goes to their patients. Their salaries are being funded by outsiders. I have to wonder how much. But actually, I'm okay with how much. They deserve a lot. But they're helping these people, and they're really not taking from them. Radically transparency documents. You can see all the documents, all the people they've helped. It's 1,027 or so. 2,000, 3,000. Yeah, I love the transparency. I love the helping others. I love the programming this. It's a great website. Look at this. WotC, good branding, everything. Like, damn. So they put that together. They worked on it. They're really making an impact on people's lives. And so that's what I want to end up doing. Whatever I do, I want to help people. I want to also... My goal is for myself too. It's to provide freedom for me and my family, my potential family I'll have, to have freedom to do whatever we would like to do, what we need to do, not worry about health, not worry about the normal things, but be able to freely go around and help others. And I think almost if you just live that, you automatically have all those things probably. And so, yeah, I could go into that, but this is the start of my journey. 365. Who knows? I'll keep going after that, hopefully. And I'll be coding a lot. Starting to look for web development stuff. And yeah, so there's that. As for today, the actual coding. Thank you, WotC. Let's go back to... Oh, I thought I was on forward. Alright, back to here. GitHub. This needs some stuff. I actually purchased a GitHub account I've never used. We'll have to change that. So, what do I want to do today? I want to work on Ember.js. I've worked with Angular. A couple places are using Ember. I want to see what. Actually, let me look at something. This is a company I respect. They start Houston. Again, it's helping programmers, startups, stuff. I'm considering looking at them. But Rails developer, wet. Members. Angular, they just say a client. Okay. So yeah, this is still good experience for me. There's another company and a couple others actually. Let me hit it real quick. I played with a little bit the other day. Ember.js. My house is a bit of a mess. Actually, I got a washer and dryer the other day, and this is the proof. Bam. I got a ton of clothes now. And this was on the top of the pile. You could probably guess that, huh? Should probably zoom in some, but whatevs. Can you hear? I hope you can hear me correctly. Framework for creating ambitious web applications. So there's a big debate. Ember.js, Backbone.js, Angular.js. They're all client-side frameworks. I have to wonder if it wouldn't be easier for me just to start with just JavaScript. It probably would be. It'd probably be smarter. But everybody's looking for these skills, and I want to learn them, and it'll help me learn JavaScript maybe. So let's see what they have to say. More productive out of the box. Write dramatically less code with Ember's handlebars integrated template that update automatically when the underlying data changes. So they all have this. This is the main thing. Handlebars. Ember's handlebars integrated templates. Don't waste time making trivial choices. Incorporates common idioms so you can focus on what makes your app special, not reinventing the wheel. Built for productivity, designed with developer ergonomics in mind, its friendly APIs help you get your job done fast. Templates. So they have these templates. It shows how it kind of works into your name. Joe, and it updates instantly. Does it update a space? No. Cool. And they do more stuff, and they show you stuff. I don't think I have one. Did it work? No. Loading data from a server. It's loading data. Routing. Pages. This is a really cool example. I wish they had a GitHub account of this, so I could use it or borrow it. Actually, yeah, I would love to see that, but it's showing the URL when you click on it. Inbox, blah, 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 spam, blah, blah. This is a perfect one-page application example. I don't know how to implement. They give me this stuff, but I have no idea where to put that, how that works. And support development. The project. All right, so how do I get started with this? Again, I'm gonna make a portfolio because I still have not done that. I actually have some on my Mac, but I didn't do a whole lot with it. Actually, that'll be a good commit for later. I wrote some stuff for it. Guides, API, builds. I just need to get it started. Web Inspector. I actually downloaded the Ember Web Inspector, I think, the other day. I'm also have to figure out how to commit to GitHub again. I forget how to do that every once in a while. I might. There's a lot of ways to commit to GitHub. If I wanted to do command line, it'll take me a little bit longer to figure out. Ember.js. I want to see this work. What is this? Architecture example? Source. I just want this source. Dependency example? I don't know what that means. I'll say architecture example. I think that means no, I forgot. But I think this means that. It's weird. I don't know. I will know one day. A lot of stars. This is something to look at for projects. This has got a lot of attention. It's not even a lot of updates. It's just up in updated Ember. So let's get this party started. Right? Isn't that what the Black Eyed Peas would say? Let's get this party started. Is my computer gonna be weird again? Hopefully not. To do NBC. Playground. I'll go in the playground today. I'm whoa, 30 megs. It's 30 megs whenever I 40 I mean. What? That's some compression, baby. 4 times or something. Local host. Do I have WAMP running? Probably not. Now I do. And I am almost done with that. Active? Are those the active ones I'm working on? Tutorials. Plural site. Cool. Man, how do you organize this? How do y'all organize this? Seriously. Like, this list. So long. I don't know how to keep track of what I'm working on, how to organize it, what language. Do I do web development? I don't know. I'd love to see other people's thoughts and ideas. Or bookmarks too. That's another thing I have trouble organizing, but I'm getting better at it, I think. But I'd always love to hear from you. What? Todsby. Oh yeah, this is the Laravel doc. Does this work? Public. No, I broke it. Broke it good. Like usual. Oh, this is everything. Oh crap. Alright, I don't need all that. Can I please just have Ember.js? Does that work? Fresh Ember.js. Work! Baby. Work, baby. This is a Texas drought. If you know that song, shame on you. Not really, but I actually think it's quite a catchy song. Delete that. Clear completed. Done. I'm done. Clear completed. Done for the day. Part of To Do MVC. So this was a great lesson. I'll see you later. No, I'm just kidding. Did I open it? Yeah. So let's look at this real quick. In my knowledge that I've gained so far. Bower. Is that Grunt? Is Grunt Bower? Does Grunt use Bower? I think so. Hang on, let me look at this again real quick. Bower manages it like Grunt does, but you have to run. So Grunt is similar to Bower, I guess. I guess Bower is the installation of your packages, your jQuery, your Bootstrap, your other frameworks. And Grunt is an automation type thing, which I usually see paired with this, but in this case we don't really need. So I don't want to confuse you or myself, but what is this? So we have this, that comes with it, tells you what, I'm looking at Bower first, just because it's like, what is that? Bower.json, it's a config file basically. If you use Bower, you put it here and then you command line and say, hey Bower, get my stuff. And then it goes out, gets this stuff, that version, jQuery, handlebars. Otherwise, I would go, okay, I have jQuery, copy, or I'll show you more, jQuery. No, whoa. I don't need all that. Go here, download, find the right one. We're on 1 and 2 now. But, so you would do that for each of these, and then you would go in and reference them. But, so this just downloads them for you. Downloads them, puts them in your folder. Bower Components, Ember, jQuery. So I already have all this. They ran it for me, Bower. Actually, how do I command line utility? Actually, let's see. I'm gonna try this. I want to kind of refresh my mind, my memory. I'm up in here. Then I say npm install Bower. I think this is working because I have Node installed. Maybe not. I don't know how it's working, but Node and npm, yeah, and Git. So I've installed Node and npm before then. So if you haven't, you will have trouble running this. There's a lot of stuff. Do I have to do this multiple times? That's what I don't know. Oh, see, it just installed Bower here. I bet I already had it, but maybe it updated it all. I don't know. So npm install Bower. What if I just do Bower? What if I just do Bower install? So now it's collecting all those things. I might be breaking it. I don't know. I wonder. Let's check out our project to see. I'm just exploring, going around, you know, hanging out. Did I write over any of this? I don't know. Is this from today? Let's see. No. So here I have this. Well, I did create it, I guess a minute ago. Yeah, so it just re-downloaded all of this. Cool. So we did it. Anyway, it stuffs all of its stuff into here. Here's JSON for the application. And this is an MVC application. I'm sorry for the people that are like, whoa, this is way too slow for me, but I'm still learning too. And I'm just kind of reiterating for my own purposes. And then for anyone else that might be out there like me. And of course, if you're watching this live ever, contact me and I will try and explain it as best I can. From the beginning. So router is basically, this is a way to structure the code. Is an MVC client framework, Ember is. And so that means model, view, controller. The view displays stuff. It just has the display, think like HTML, just displaying. The model usually retrieves from databases. That's what I usually know it does. And it also has functions specific to that which you do. So what is this? Title, it sets a title and is complete. Controllers are the brains of the operation, and they connect both the view and the model, but they can also do function. Maybe that's what I was thinking. You might be able to switch it up. Some things are called view models because they get a little weird. They don't get weird, but they use them slightly differently. So global, here's to do, controller to do. So we have edit to do, done editing, cancel editing, remove to do, save when completed. And then we have the to-dos controller. Create to do, clear to do, all are done. And then to-dos list controller. So they have a lot of controllers for all this. My novice self would probably have had one. This is probably more logical separation. Helpers, I guess they're just utility things. Ember, handlebar, helpers, pluralize. Singular count. So it's returning singular or blah. I don't have any idea what this is for, but it's helping him somehow. Model to do. Title, DS. What is DS? Maybe I shouldn't start with this example. That's what I'm trying to think. And then this is like the beginning of that Ember application. Ember application create. This is very similar to most other MVC applications, whether it's ASP.NET MVC, it'll look similar, or if it's AngularJS, it's MVC. CodeIgniter, they're all MVCs. Everybody gets MVC today. Today, to-dos, application adapter equals DS, Nintendo DS, ls, a, adapter, dot extend, namespace, I don't know none of that, but. So where does it say data framework is equal to Ember.js? I bet that's necessary. This is all script. To-do list, to-dos. So they're putting all this stuff together. Script. Common. Power components. I don't know what all this is. To be common. Base. I have no idea what this is. I'm going to be saying that a lot. I don't know what a lot is. So I'm sure. I have no idea what that does. Well, it just seems dangerous to me because it's like, what is it? Find a root. So it's just stuff for that one page, maybe? I don't know. Read me. No. Not very much. Read me. The one thing I want to see is does it change pages? No, that's one thing I want. Because I want a router. Would be a good example to learn, but I want to have a router because I'm going to have to change pages, or I will want to, and that's the coolness, new coolness. Single page application types. Although is Ember about that? I don't know. Maybe it's just two-way binding. It's not. Yeah, no, it is, because their example they had was that way, wherever it was. How do I... My first Ember app. Hey, that'd be great. Except it doesn't have... Does it have routes? Let's see what this does first. Maybe we'll use it, maybe not. That's why it's going in the playground. Rock and roll. My eyes been tired on the computer so much. I might have to turn on Flux. Let's make this good artist. Bam. Bam. Oh man, come on. I can tell you failed to save it. Man. Alright. Scratch that. Go back to the source real quick. See, come on, I need a really basic example that does a few key fundamental things. Sure, these logs will be amazing when I understand what is going on. mean, we might even do that. Starter kit. I really hope it's a good starter kit. That would be amazing. Such amazing. Red, yellow, blue. That is very much a starter kit. In fact, what is it? Because I've seen this one before. And it's might as well just be HTML almost. So here is that. Ember application create. I've seen that before. Put my routes here. Index route. Extend. Model function. It returns an array. We take that array. This is definitely a starter application. Why am I itching? That ain't right. That ain't right. Just took a shower. The starter kit comes with an integration test sample written for QUnit runner. Does it really? Because it's like hidden up in here. Tests. Ah, yeah. I've never done a test. I don't know. I'm gonna open my window real quick. I like the sun. I like the outside. I like the doors when I eat pie. How often do I rhyme? Well, I don't know. I'm not gonna keep going. That's what you expect me to do. That's what I expect me to do. All right. Outlet. Welcome to Ember.js outlet. What? What is that? ID equals index. So I'm guessing here it mentions index. Yes. I need a little more than this. It tells me how to. Okay, what is it telling me? Model. I'm creating model. Maybe. They're more focused on text almost. There's more text. Okay, I get that during. Okay. Appreciate it, dude, but I don't know what to do with this. I don't know enough. Should I start from here? It might be a good place. I wish I had a multiple page. All right, one more try. Do I have water? Maybe that's what I want. No. The missing Ember.js tutorial. Cool. This guy, just on a day, he decides to learn Ember.js. Okay. Hey, what? So he's going to explain it to me. Grunt. watch. He was showing how to do grunt. That's awesome. I don't know why. Optional, yeah. Download the starter kit. I did that. Okay. So here we're looking at this, which is the app.js file. The first line, app equals ember.application.create, creates an instance of the Ember application. This will create a new instance of ember.application and make it available as a variable within the browser's JavaScript environment. So app. I wonder if that's used elsewhere. I would assume it's in here, but maybe not. App.js, yeah. Okay, I guess that's it. App, okay, they use it multiple times here. App.router.map is used to define the application route. Every Ember application has one default route called index, which is available at /URL. So when the index /route is invoked, then index template is rendered based on the application URL template is rendered. Lot of convention over configuration. The index template is defined in index.html. Makes sense? The index template. So I guess that's and this is the index template. Yeah. Okay, so this is called whenever that you go to this, there's nothing after this, that's the index route by default, and it kind of has one in there for you secretly. It has one in here for that place called index by default. Am I confused yet? In Ember, every template is backed by a model. Every template is backed by a model. A route responsible for specifying which template should be backed by which model. Okay, yeah, I guess also a route is responsible for specifying which template should be backed by which model. In the app.js shown above, index route index route returns a string array as the model. For index template. The index template just iterates over this array and renders a list. Yeah, the index template iterates over the array and outputs and renders a list. Remove starter template code. Please remove all the content from it and paste the following content into it. Sure thing, Bob. Wait, whoa, where are we going with this? I don't know what we're making. Keep going, route, add stuff. Tell me you have open source. "30 technologies in 30 days. That's freaking impressive, mate. I guess he might have full days to do it. Even still. AngularJS? Why Angular? What? Bam! Routing. A nick few seconds ago. Sweet. So is this... I bet it's a... client side. No. It's being stored into a database. Super. HTML5 local storage. Bam! This is what I was looking for. So maybe I should go through. I will still go through it. Day 19. No. Stop. In the name of love, before you break my heart. Shout out to Hi, C9. Whoa, really? Is this gonna work? A, B, C, D, E. Bam! Beautiful. I don't know how it's working, but it's working. It's amazing. And it's got multiple pages a few seconds ago, and it's using HTML5 storage, so I can learn that too. How kind of this gentleman. Beautiful, man. You need more. You need more. Okay, dude. Shekargalati. 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 I don't know. It's the best I can do. But I like it. Awesome. Damn straight. Is this it? Day 19. It's like zombie movie type stuff. Man, okay, there's a lot here. I just want to browse. Peruse is the word of the day. App.js is this filled up with stuff. We got, so he doesn't organize it very much, but that's fine. Story. App.story. It's already 7:30. Time flies when you're learning what the heck is going on. Apps story, so it has all this stuff. Tag names, I guess. Tag. Okay, it has multiple tag names. It's an array or sort. Router map, index path, news story. It has this route, index controller, sort properties, ascending. So you can sort. How do you sort? I don't even know. No. Maybe not. Maybe we can. I don't know. Story route. News story controller. Helper. Hope I'm streaming. My hair dry yet? A little bit. But actually the biggest thing I see from here, let's combine our powers. Routes, route. Router map, router map, router map. That's the original. This. Whoa, man. Let's see how this works. New story. Does it have a controller? Yes, it does. Actions. I will create. So that has new story controller, but I don't really want all that, so I'm just gonna not have it. Yeah. I don't know what that does either. Story ID, blah, blah, blah. But it, so they had new story here. Oh, back to the top. Okay. That's all. That's all there is, folks. So, is there a? Yes, there is a script for about. That I will take and delete. Why am I taking and deleting? I don't know. Do I put everything in here? Surely there's a better way. But for now, let's do it. Bam! Why are these off? That really bothers me. Hi! Oh, I don't even need form. Hi! This is the about. I'm sensing convention over here. About controller. Actions, nothing. Camera, nothing. About, yeah. Model, why does this have a model? Why don't he have no model? Model. Index route has a model. Story route. Story. So what? That is a story. Why is there, should I be copying this? Dot stories. That's an object. That's not even a, it's not related to Ember, really. DS. What is DS? I have no idea. Data structures? D3? No. Whatever. So story, is there a story controller? Story route? This is a new story. Model. Oops. I'm gonna use this. I don't really know what's going on anymore now. But that's not. So we got this. I don't think we need this. Cool. I don't know how to. I'll just cheat. No. What am I working in? Starter kit. Starter kit master. Kit master. No. Okay. That's all I wanted to work. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, okay. About. Story about. Yeah, man. Don't confuse me. Man, still doesn't work. Willikers. Swashbuckle. 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 Jeez. No. 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 Okay. Ember to the rescue. No. No, that's not okay. I wanted getting started. Get started now. Routing. Root URL. Defining my routes. Route them up. This to route. This is all I needed to do. And yet I take the hard route. I could just look at this documentation. It looks quite nice. It is very kind to me. Bam. I like it, the spacing. About the favorite is I will do. Why is this so confusing? I don't know. It's like crazy stuff going on. Going to put you to bed. It would put you to bed. You go up here. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, man. I'm by myself. I'm just crazy. Resource. So I'm talking about resources, not routes. What y'all do? What you talking about? Routes. See, now I'm waking up. Because this is interesting. Resource. I don't see the word route anywhere. Route.extend. Route.extend. I don't know. That's interesting. Maybe he's come up with. How do you come up with that accidentally? You know. What? Why doesn't this work? Okay. Where am I? Story route. Maybe this should be about anyway. This should be about. Okay. No, it's not. What if I say no? I don't want none of that. I just want it to work. No, that doesn't. Maybe I need. Maybe I need the. Bam! It's a bam! Hi, this is the about. I just typed in the wrong URL, man. That's it. How do I know that? I don't know. I've just seen it, and I've read something about it. About. Hi, this is the about. Wait, stop it. Hey, about. If it is actually getting there, let's see that if it works. See, how do I know if it's using this now? I don't know. Let's have a cow. I wouldn't really expect that to work. Must be an array. You passed. Hey, about. It's probably thinking, what the hell is wrong with this dude? You passed. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, you caught me. You caught me in the act. What if I don't want... I ain't gonna adhere to your whims. Man, I'll do what I want. Big time, baby. Oh, take that G's away. Big time, baby. Yeah. All right. Sorry. I hope that was correct. My nose. Look at that. Look at that. What if I do, I feel like I should at least do that. I don't know. Is it dot? Okay, it is. But why do I have to really do that? I don't know. I don't think it's right. That is right. Bam, about, and it's at the top, and I got 10 frames per second, man. Why are my frames per second so bad? I guess they're at whatever they need to be. Okay, interesting. I got 0 frames per second because there's no frames to show. But whenever that's interesting. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I'm interested by this. Real quick, so what I want to do is about portfolio. What else would we need? I don't know. I have that elsewhere. But I'm quite happy with this. About portfolio does not work. That's what I can do next time when I get started, and I will have the stuff to do. And so exciting. I might save some of the boring stuff for off stream. No, I'd probably do it on stream too, but like figuring out what the heck goes in my portfolio. I think this is my portfolio. It's really bad. Gotta work on that. Stream, chat, mentor, chat/contact, because why not? Yeah. So for today, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna do the damn thing. Let's see. Get GUI, get bash, get exe. GitHub. Bam. I don't know what the difference between all these are. I know GUI is what I usually use. The one I'm actually... The best one that I've used is this. I'll show you. What is this? Just cool interface for connecting to GitHub, and it seemed to work well. Still don't know what that other get exe is, but here we are. So yeah, there's local and remote. I remember that now. and then doing initial push. So that's important. Creating a local one and putting it remote means putting it on GitHub. There's a great deal of documentation, many posts on Git about out there. So this is more of a note to self as I keep forgetting the steps needed to say I'm not the only one, man. I'm doing an initial push. So firstly, set up the remote repository. I always feel like I'm saying suppository, but I'm not. It's good to not get those confused. So, I hope I don't do anything dumb. Actually, oh man. SSH. I'm gonna SSH into it. That's pretty cool. So, what is my email? I don't even know. And my account real quick. I guess it's my normal email address. That doesn't make sense. I'm supposed to. Alright, I'm just gonna go to Git. See, I don't know. I'm missing a piece. I'm going to create one, a new repo, public, call this Haha, here we are. See, this is what he. So I'm actually going to navigate to that location. Starter kit master. I really don't like not being able to right click or control V. Okay. LS works. Where the heck am I? I'm C nerd. Okay. This is apparently Linux now. Doesn't work. CD. I don't know. I got 2 underscores up in the. Oh. So I'm here. I'm here. I'm there. Everywhere. Git. Touch. This is creating a README file. I'll show you that. That's just a Linux thing. README. Did I just make it 750? Yes, I did. Oh, I just edited. I just touched it. I didn't create it. He already had one. Cool. I'll use it. And git init. Git add. I already have a README, but okay. I shouldn't have done that. Git commit. Day 1 of 365, baby. Git remote add. So I added a remote origin. So I assume this means when I hit push, that's where it goes. Does that mean I could have multiple? What is my... I don't know it. Okay, try. What is my username? Did I get a good one or something? Nick Nash. Whoa! I got a good one. Oh, sweet. That's sad. I don't even know what it is. Cha-ching. Okay. Team members can now clean and track their motor repository using the following. So yeah, feel free to join on up. Join on up. Should watch that movie. It's pretty good. Day 1 of 365, baby. I need to update this because it's stolen. But I don't care because I don't owe them. That was actually halfway decent. Where's my... I want my dot for today. Did I commit? Did I commit today? I'm only committed to README. Crap. How do I... Wait, what? Oh, I forgot the git add thing, I think. So do I have to do all that other stuff again? Just like that. I did nothing. Did I add it? Did I add them? Yeah! It just... Take 2, baby. I got 2 commits on my first day. Who knows? Maybe I'll be crazy and come back for more. I could do that, you know. The way I did that, it reminds me of Psych. No contributions, you don't you lie. Portfolio. A minute ago. What is today? September 8th. That's what I'm saying. Wait, how long does it take to update that? If that's September 8th, so it's gonna go. How does this work? Oh, that's 2013. So this is the day. And it'll move back here, and then it'll move back here. It's a lot of days. Sweet. It's gonna be beautiful. Alright. Well, I'm pretty sure I committed. If not, I really tried to. I got 2 followers. One's myself. Oh my goodness. Jesse, thank you so much. And Smoke Diggity. Alright. I really hope. If I click on portfolio, that has to mean it's going. I should put portfolio Ember, but whatever. Alright, enough rambling, schmambling. Back to real life. Or are we dancers? Are we human or are we dancers? I have no idea what that means. Anyway, a lot of exciting stuff. I hope you check out Watsy and the rapper Watsky. He's kind of cool too. Makes me think of that. But so I'm starting something here very cool. I challenge you to do the same. If you have any inkling of programming, trying it out, well, not trying it out, but if you know you want to be a programmer, do this. Because it's obvious to me right now that I need to do it. The second I heard him say that, I was like, I should do that. So shout out to my boy M something. I don't know where. Well, I don't remember. How do I look at my favorites? Anyway, you know it. I showed you it. Until next time, meaning hopefully tomorrow. I'm going to try and stream most of my time committing because it has to be public anyway. It looks like I have hair growing on top of my head. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for your time. I look forward to many more days of this awesome committing. Peace out. Thanks. Boom.